St. Andrew businessman charged for alleged illegal gun possession. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A St. Andrew businessman has been charged with possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition after a loaded gun was reportedly seized during a raid at his business establishment. He has been identified as 47-year-old Michael Nelson of Farewell Avenue, Kingston 19. The Constant Spring Police said that on December the 6th between 9 a.m. and 1:30 p.m., a police team conducted an intelligence-led operation at Nelson's business establishment on Constant Spring Road. During the investigation, Nelson reportedly handed over a Taurus pistol affixed with a magazine containing 6 9mm rounds to the police. Nelson was subsequently arrested and later charged following a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. A court date is yet to be finalized for him. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.